Indonesia is facing such a big challenge to actualize the status of the health and the welfare of the citizen. In responding to this issue, Indonesia needs human resources who are competent in health matters to actualize a qualified and a dignified health development. It then requires the graduates of the public health to own a required competency. Therefore, the Faculty of Public Health is present to improve the health service through a competent education of public health. As the reference of the public health institution, the faculty is aware that a qualified learning needs to be supported with competent infrastructures. The quality of the management and the service are both related to supporting their people in the academic community to be able to develop their potentiality in absorbing the knowledge they prefer to learn. The green environment of the campus gives the opportunity for the students to interact pleasantly, becoming an individual who is humanist, amiable, clever, and sensible to the surroundings. Regarding the attempt to develop a qualified teaching learning activity, the Faculty of Public Health presents 10 study programs held by 7 departments and 2 working groups. The undergraduate study program of public health is one of the programs which goal is to bring out competent graduates who are able to identify and to solve health issues occur in the society and are able to implement the intervention of public health and are willing to endlessly learn about the public health issue. The nutrient is one of the important aspects of embodying the quality of human. Unfortunately, such qualified nutrition cannot be consumed equally for the people in Indonesia. The study of program of Faculty of Public Health of University of Indonesia performs a qualified education to bring out a graduate who is capable to manage a program of nutrition and health both in the institution and society for the improvement of Human Development Index in Indonesia. The education of environmental health in Indonesia is not focused yet on the fulfillment of the basic sanitation program, whereas the problem and the challenge of the environmental pollution are an urgent issue. The program study of environmental health established to face the challenge by educating the students to be a resourceful and skillful human who has the capability to identify the factor of environmental exposure and its impact to the society. Also to make the students to be able to overcome the knowledge, the science, and the technology of the preventions and control from the exposure, along with the management capability of environmental health. The program of Occupational Health and Safety brings out a capable graduates who are able to organize the implementation of the literacy of occupational health and safety. The program study of occupational health and safety is working together ethically and professionally with prominent people in order to be the reference of academic in the level of national and Southeast Asia. The lecturers of the Master Program of Public Health are the graduates of Master and Doctoral Program, professors, and also lecturers from other disciplines, government and industrial institutions in connection to the public health. The program study of public health has a finely developed curriculum and follows to the development of public health among the global world. We also established an interface system of long-distance course with e-learning base. It is unquestionable that the Faculty of Public Health of University of Indonesia becomes the standard of the education of public health in Indonesia. The Master Program of Epidemiology produced a graduate who is capable in developing the principle, the method, and the application of epidemiology to seek solutions for the health matters through research with interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary approach in both national and international scale. The Master Program of Epidemiology consists of three majors: Epidemiology of Community, Clinical Epidemiology, and Sectoral Epidemiology. The study program of Hospital Administration intends to establish graduates with the capability of leader, manager, researcher, and lecturer, also a consultant who is competent in communication, hospital management, and business skill, hospital system, leadership, and professionalism. The needs of the occupational health and safety is increasing, along with the outgrowth of the infestation of the industrial in Indonesia. To overcome the needs, the Faculty of Public Health presents a Master Program of Occupational Health and Safety to produce a competent graduate who is able to think critically and systematically. Also, for the graduates to have a broad knowledge of the science and technology of health and safety workplace, so that the graduate is able to develop and to manage the program of health and safety workplace in the industrial world in the element of government and society. The Faculty of Public Health also presents a doctoral program which consists of two program studies: Doctoral Program Study of Public Health and Doctoral Program Study of Epidemiology. The Doctoral Study of Public Health establishes the graduate who is capable to be a leader, who gives a recommendation of policy based on data, and also to produce innovative research through an interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, and transdisciplinary approach to overcome the health issues in the society, both in national and Southeast Asia level. The Doctoral Program of Epidemiology established a qualified doctoral education to bring out a competent doctoral graduate who is able to develop the knowledge and the method of epidemiology and also able to solve the health problems related to the literacy of epidemiology. The Doctoral Program of Epidemiology has two majors: Epidemiology of Community and Clinical Epidemiology. The Faculty of Public Health is continuously contributing itself to improve the public health through the social service program. Based on the learned competency, the lecturers and the students are working together to formulate the issues and to work directly on the case, also actively involving the participation of the society. In order to actualize the Center of Excellence, the Faculty of Public Health holds an important role to produce the knowledge and the innovation which keeps moving and transforming by working on researches. To maintain the consistency of the research, the master students of the Faculty of Public Health are publishing the journals in national level and the proceedings in international level. The doctoral students are also publishing the journals in international level as a requirement of the exam. Some of the research works of the students are also published on scientific journals and forums in both national and international scale. Until now, the Faculty of Public Health is trying to implement the knowledge throughout a wider population, a broader environment, to give a thorough impact to achieve a better health for the society.